Myths about chronic illness and yoga, Part 1. Myth: yoga is a cure for chronic illness. For those of us who have chronic illness, this isn't a surprise. It's stating the obvious. But for those of you who don't, maybe this is something you need to hear. Your chronic illness friend gets a lot of unsolicited advice. One common question we hear is, "But have you tried yoga?" This question has some implications that maybe you don't realize. First, it can imply that yoga is the one thing we haven't tried that could solve all of our problems. I've been chronically ill for over 20 years, and I've been teaching yoga since 2011. So if that were the case, I think I'd be cured by now. The other problem with this statement, and maybe some of you who have chronic illness are already aware, you may have tried yoga and it didn't work for you. Maybe you have a condition where deep breathing causes you to pass out. Maybe you have chronic pain and the poses that you were doing in the yoga class caused you more pain and injury. Maybe you attended a class that caused you to exert more energy than you could handle and you were laid out for a week afterwards. So, debunking the myth, yoga can be a supportive tool to help you along your healing journey if it prioritizes a trauma-sensitive practice that helps you build awareness around your internal world, around your sensations, and offers variations for different bodies with different needs. So you can find a way to make the practice support you instead of forcing yourself into a practice that wasn't made for a chronically ill body. If you have a teacher that understands how to use props to help you find those supportive postures, if you have a teacher who understands a little bit about nervous system regulation and the extreme importance of reclaiming your agency when recovering from trauma, and those of us who are chronically ill know what it's like to experience trauma.